Okay, so welcome. So in this example, we're going to talk about how to calculate the percent change. Okay, so we're going to use the steps in the last video to help us do this. Okay, so in this example, we have a worn brake line that's measured to be 3/32 of an inch thick. The original thickness was 1/4 of an inch, and so they're asking us what is the percent of wear. Oh, hold on. Don't want that. So we're going to use the formula P equals, or no, we're looking for rate. So rate equals P over B, where P is the amount of change, right? It's the proportion, right? So what's the amount of change? Well, in this case here, P is, well, the original amount is 1/4, and now it's gone down to 3/32. So the amount of change is 1/4 minus 3/32. Okay, so if I change this to 30 seconds, I'm going to have to multiply by 8. Oops. So that's going to be 32nd, and this will be 8. So if I multiply the top and the bottom by 8, I get 8/32, and now I can subtract, and so the amount of change is going to be 5/32. So that's going to be my P. So it's going to be 5/32 over the base amount, which is the original amount, which is 1/4, right? Okay? And so now I'm going to divide those fractions. Okay? Now, I'm going to write this as the multiplication, so I'm going to take the, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal of the bottom here. So I'm going to write this as 5/32 times 4 over 1. And so now 4 and 32 cancel each other out, so 4 goes into 4 one time, 4 goes into 32 eight times. And so now if I multiply across, I get 5/8. But I want this in a percentage, okay? So in order to write this as a percentage, I'm just going to multiply by 100%, okay? So if I make this into a decimal, right? So let's make this into a decimal. 5/8 is equal to 0.625. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this by 100%, right? Because I want to write it as a percentage. So I'm going to move the decimal point over to the left, or excuse me, to the right, 2 spots. So this is going to be 62.5%. And so that is the rate of change, 62.5%. And we're done. See you next time.